Okay guys, we are back out here in Cleveland, New York, where we did this project last year for Bill, the homeowner. And he wants some aprons. He wants a big old apron right here on his garage, and he wants some stamped concrete up there where Rowan is. Say hi, Bill. We're back at it. Yep, that's what he wants. So we got to take this material down here. We're gonna shoot for a 5.5-inch concrete slab here, and 5.5 inches of that stamped concrete. We got my buddy Rowan over here. Bill loves Rowan. And we got the dingo over here, the whacker, Wally the whacker. It's not a dingo, but we got Wally the whacker. And we're gonna dig this out. I think that's all we're gonna need. He wants to come like 4 foot over here too, over to that door. And then Biscuit and Doug and Dustin Gopher are in here doing some parging. How's it going, boys? Oh, look at that. They're parging over this here. Biscuit's in the, we gotta shut that music off. Biscuit's in the Bilko door. That's your second coat or your first coat? First? Oh. We're doing that Nudura Parge coat, guys. You put this mesh on there, and then you give it a scratch coat, and then you coat it again. It's kind of fun when you're down on the ground like that. But this is the project we did last year. Still looking good. What do you think, Doug? Fun stuff, huh? You got to do that corner too, huh?
You want me to do that right there, man?
I would, yeah. Yeah, well, it's concrete under that wood. The bottom's concrete, so I would do the concrete part just to blend it in. You know, that we poured a curb there. That's all solid concrete.
Okay, just go up to it?
Yeah, just right to the edge of the wood. And then around this corner. Looks good. Yeah, then they put some Durarock on here. You got a parge over that too, so.
I do have a sidewalk too.
Got her graded up, guys. Just a rough grade. Now we're gonna tamp it. Peeled that down 5.5 inches. We're gonna get it tamped, and then we will fine tune it. It's got a whole pile of material over there. Pusher run, we call that stuff. And then we'll put our boards up. Look at that. That'll be good. Boys are working on this parging still. Cleaning up his driveway, guys. We are pouring this section one day, and then we're going to strip this form and pour this section, because this is stamped concrete and this is Broom finish stuff. But we're done here. I'll show you what the boys did inside of here. We got this all parged up nice for Bill. This bottom Nudura. Got that all looking nice. Down in the Bilko door here. That's all parked up nice. That was all Nudura or that were Fox blocks. Hey Doug. Let's take the tape up and sweep up and stuff on so we don't leave a mess. Get his driveway looking good, and we're out of here, guys. And then we'll be back to pour this bad boy. Like I said, we'll do this part first, and then this little piece of stamped concrete. Break it up. Nice place out here. Is this good? Hey. Listen. Hey, in the truck. Quiet down. No running this morning. Hey, we gotta go. No running. In the truck. In the truck. Hey, get in the truck, bro. Come on. In the truck, nerd. Come on, buddy. We gotta go. We gotta go all the way to Cleveland. We got an hour drive. We gotta pick up Doug, wild man. Gotta do his lap. You done running, wild man? Huh? We gotta go, buddy. We gotta go up to Cleveland. Let's go. You ready? He's back off disability, guys. He hurt his paw, ripped his nail right off, and he was on disability. But now he's back to work. First week back after a couple weeks off. Here comes Big Robbie. Here comes the mud. He knows right where we're at. He's got a swinger wide, though. We gotta watch this wire right here. There is a low wire right here. Take her wide, Big Robbie. That driveway's narrow up there. All right, guys, we're up here in Cleveland today, and we're gonna pour out this piece of concrete that I'll show you here in a minute. We got Big Robbie coming in. We're gonna bring him down the hill. Like I said, though, we gotta watch this wire. We might have to push that up a little bit. Big Robbie, the legend. The legend. Coming down through. It is 7 a.m. pour today, guys. We're gonna get her done. All right, guys, here's the project. We're back here in Constantia, or not Constantia, Cleveland, New York. And we did all this work here, all this ICF foundation. We did his garage. We did a lot of work up here. We're just pouring a nice apron for him. And we're gonna bring it up here. And first thing we're gonna do is get a bunch of concrete underneath the wire, some stiffer concrete, and pull the wire up. And then we're going to mix them up a little better. And we will rip it out and get her done. Stay tuned. We got our Jitterbug too. We're gonna Jitterbug it. Jitterbug it, Jitterbug it. her rough room might be like some of the big stuff. You see that?
Yeah.
Where you're pulling rocks. And
Yeah.
That's rough.
Yeah.
This might like this. You know what I mean? I don't like that either. When it's
No, right there? I think I was glad.
I think that's
Jay's got the blue one, doesn't he?
yeah, I have. That's the light room.
That's even white there.
Yeah, that's
That's
right.
good.
Problem is, if we don't go now,
Yep.
it'll be hard to get to the end. It ain't gonna look right. Good. Yeah, that's a nice light room.
That's nice.
Sometimes you feel city guys, they do sidewalks and they're so floppy.
It's too, and the broom is, you know, the broom.
Pulling rocks and
That's
everything
because
else.
they're like rushed to finish, you know, they're like, hey, get a broom out.
I don't want it to feel like I'm walking on
No, this is nice.
really pretty sandpaper.
You don't want it wearing off.
I'm going, yeah.
I wouldn't mind it much later than this. Keep going anyway.
Yeah. No, that's perfect.
All right, guys, we are wrapping it up. Chris is just edging her up nicely. The broom come out spectacular today. Just really nice. We didn't have to lay it down by hand. We just used that resin float. That resin float is for the wind, baby. You know what, Chris?
What?
That resin float was the wind today. Man, that really looks nice. Bill wanted a light broom, or Mama wanted a light broom, huh?
Mama did.
Mama did. She won. They got their light broom. That's gonna be nice. Well, if you're drinking cocktails out there, you don't want to slip on a rough broom and fall, right?
No.
Yeah, that's funny. We'll come back tomorrow and saw cut that bad boy, strip them forms off, guys. It's early. Get her sealed today. Yep, we'll put our Karen seal on here in a minute. You just got to control the eaves dripping on it. We put towels up there because the eaves are dripping on it. He's going to have to put a temporary gutter up there till he gets his fascia and stuff done. We enjoy working up here by the lake. A beautiful, beautiful view. Yep. Bought us donuts, Bill did. He loves getting us over here when we can. We're so busy. We're gonna lay her. Yep, seal her up, bub. Put her on nice and heavy, being a driveway, you know.
Yeah.
Driveway slash. It's gonna see a lot of salt. I'll lay her right on there, nice and heavy. That's our water-based cure and seal, guys. We have a couple different brands we use. I'll show you what this one is. It matters where we get it from, the supplier. We have a couple different suppliers we get it from. It works really well. And that white will just dissipate. It's nice because you can see where it is with the white. Helps you see. We got our DeWalt backpack sprayer there. So Dustin's gonna crank it out. It's windy, so this is the sealer over here, guys. This one's made by L&M. Dress and seal. Water base. That's what we're using today. Alright guys, we are back here taking our Bill, he put the poly on there for the eaves. We had some rain last night, so the eaves would have beat down into the concrete, so he put the poly on there, which has protected it nicely. So we kind of knew that was going to happen. So we're going to strip this off, pull the form board, and we're going to do our cuts, get our cuts in. That way everything's going to control our cracking and all that. So that's what we're doing right now, me and PJ. The boys are over finishing a floor that we just poured. The other 3 boys. So we're getting this done. I'll show you what it looks like when we get it all uncovered.